Embarking on a journey to shed those extra kgs can pose significant challenges for many people. Sometimes you might feel like you're making healthy lifestyle choices, yet you're still not getting the results you want. This can be attributed to unintentionally following misguided methods. So, let's take a look at common mistakes people do in the process of losing weight. The first common mistake is drastically changing your diet overnight. Shifting slowly allows your body ample time to adjust, making you less likely to relapse back to old habits. Ignoring hydration is another common blunder. Staying hydrated quashes unnecessary hunger pangs and is essential for optimal health. People try to consume less calories by skipping meals, but it is not a good idea. Not only are you losing out on essential nutrition intake, but your metabolism slows down drastically. Confusing overexertion with effective weight loss is a misconception. Overtraining doesn't excuse indulging in a high-calorie, unhealthy diet. So, don't just opt for overexercising. Not setting realistic goals can be detrimental. It is okay to aim high, but setting unattainable goals can lead to disappointment and loss of motivation. So in conclusion, understanding and rectifying these common mistakes can significantly transform your weight loss journey. Remember, every step taken in the right direction, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals.